At the market.
Where did you go?
I went to the market.
Who went with you?
My brother went with me.
What did you buy from the market?
We bought toys and chips from the market.
How did you all go?
We went by walking.
How did you arrive when you came back?
We came back by bus.
Did you find everything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything there. Daily routine.
What did you have for dinner last night?
We had chicken for dinner last night.
Where was your dad yesterday?
My dad went to the office.
What did you do yesterday?
I watched TV.